How to get free games from Epic Games. I already download Epic Games Launcher and open it. In the launcher, scrolling down, and when we see a heading Free Games, this is all we need. In the Epic Games Store there is many free games, and if you want to view a list of free games, click on View More. On a new page we see Free Games. Epic Games Store gives you a free game every week. Come back often for the exclusive offers. Download a free game to play or join a free-to-play game community today. And what free games I can download and play just right now? Destiny 2, Genshin Impact, League of Legends, Rumbleverse, Fall Guys, this is a cool game, I recommend it, Fortnite, Rocket League, Genshin Impact, Multiversus, Cycle Frontier, Valorant, Roller Champions, Rogue Company, Pinball FX, EVE Online, League of Legends and many other games. I want to install and play for free a Destiny 2, so I click on Destiny 2 and on the page Destiny 2 need to click Get. Epic Games Launcher redirected me to order page. The prices for the Destiny 2 is 0 hryvnia, because I'm from Ukraine, and total price also 0. On this web page at first I need to check this field, but I don't want to do it, I just click a place order. Thank you. Now my game is ready to install and I can get this game from my library. After this, in left menu I click on Library. In Library you see all my games and I want to install Destiny 2. Click on it, install. It will be installed on C program files Epic Games Destiny 2, but I can't maybe change it because I don't want to install it on C folder. I want to install it on drive D. It will be installed on D program files Destiny 2. After update, create shortcut install. Thank you for watching this video, put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.